Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to cook some quick, easy, and super healthy snacks that are perfect for any time you re-craving something tasty, but still want to stay healthy. Snacking doesn't always have to mean junk food. With just a few simple ingredients, you can prepare snacks that are not only delicious, but also full of nutrients. So let's jump right into it. First up, we're making baked veggie chips. This is a healthier version of potato chips that is crispy, savory, and you can customize it with your favorite vegetables. Start by washing and slicing your vegetables. I'm using carrots, zucchini, and bell peppers today. You can use any of your favorites like cucumbers, beets, or sweet potatoes. Slice them really thin, about 1/8 of an inch thick. This will ensure they cook evenly and get nice and crispy. The key to making these chips is to pat them dry with some paper towels to remove any excess moisture. Then place them in a large bowl. Next, toss them with a little olive oil, just enough to coat the vegetables. Be careful not to add too much oil, or the chips will become soggy. Season the chips with salt and a little black pepper. You can add other seasonings too, like paprika or chili powder if you like. Now, spread the chips in a single layer on a baking sheet. Bake them in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 to 20 minutes. The cooking time will vary depending on your oven and the thickness of your chips. Keep an eye on them and check them frequently to prevent burning. Once they're done, take them out of the oven, let them cool down, and enjoy your crispy, healthy veggie chips. Our next snack is a Greek yogurt fruit bowl. This is a simple yet delicious snack that's high in protein and fiber. In a bowl, combine plain Greek yogurt with your favorite fruits. I'm using a mixture of fresh berries and banana slices. You can use any fruits you like or have on hand. To make it even more nutritious, sprinkle on some chia seeds or chopped nuts like almonds. Chia seeds are a great source of fiber and protein, while nuts add healthy fats and a satisfying crunch. A drizzle of honey can add natural sweetness. This snack is not only creamy and crunchy, but also perfectly balanced between sweet and tangy. And last but not least, we're making Nabake Energy Bites. These are a perfect grab-and-go snack that's high in fiber, protein, and healthy fats. In a medium bowl, combine rolled oats, peanut butter, honey, and a handful of chocolate chips or dried fruit. If you prefer, mix everything together until it forms a sticky dough. Roll the dough into small balls and place them on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Refrigerate for at least 30 minutes to firm up. And there you go. And that's it for our healthy snack ideas. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends and subscribe for more healthy recipe videos. Comment below which snack you're going to try first. Until next time, happy snacking.